Yo, Princess Jaya, what's up?
Wow. Good luck.
Sup, crush?
Double points round. Top 7 answers are on the board. Ano ang karaniwan mong ginagawa habang nakaupo?
Nag-aaral.
Okay. Nauna si Gea, pero hindi pa tapos yung question. Habang nakaupo,
Head start.
sige, ano?
Nag-cellphone.
Sa toilet. Sa toilet. Okay.
Ah! What's the first thing you do when you're in the toilet?
Gea sa cellphone.
When you sit down. Correct! That's what I always do.
Sa play. Alright, balik na tayo.
You got it, crush?
Okay yun, ha? Antonio, anong karaniwan mong ginagawa habang nakaupo sa toilet?
Magbasa ka libro.
Nanonood? Nanonood na?
Dude, that's the same as cell phone. That's what Princess Jaya had said.
Wow!
I know, crush.
Sana all!
Magnood ng cellphone. That's the same.
Hindi. Ashley, karaniwan mo ginagawa
Yo,
habang
crush.
nakaupo sa toilet?
Dumudumi.
Dumudumi.
Yeah, poop.
Dumudumi.
Nice. How about this one, the literal P? I do that sometimes.
Wala. Oh, wala. Hindi, oh, sabi ni Marco, wala lang.
Yo, best friend, the son of Bongbong Marcos.
Wala. Anong karaniwan mo ginagawa habang nakaupo sa toilet?
Kumakain.
Services.
Weird, even more weird.
Ano ba to? Di ba soccer? Ang dami pa nito. I just need one correct answer, Janyo. Ano kaya?
Nag-yoyosi or nag-vape?
Say ehe. Wiwi.
Jaya!
Haji,
Siyempre kung nagbabasa dapat nagkakape. Nagkakape.
I don't think you do that in the CR.
Lenny, isang tao.
Unless you're me. Because I do that sometimes.
Ginagawa habang nakaupo sa toilet.
Feeling ko, karamihan talaga ginagawa nila nag-yoyosi or nag-vape.
Alright. Tama po kaya to sa mga nanonood sa bahay. Yung mga nanonood ngayon na nasa cellphone na nasa CR, kayo po yung nakausap namin. Tama kaya yun. Survey says,
Wala! Wow! Paano nang dyan yan? Akala ko wala yun eh. I think I do that sometimes. Hey, that's what I said!
Number 5.
That's what I said! You forgot! Think about your plans! Especially for their next plan, game plan for Family Feud! Sayang lang yun!
Ang Team Ashoka naman ngayon ay may 215 points.